Hey folks, welcome back to Spanky's. Today we're going to do a little bit of vintage car hunting. That's just part of what I do. And this particular car, I didn't have to go climbing through the barn or through the woods looking for it. A buddy of mine found it, and he has decided to flip the car to me. So I'm going to take a chance, stop what I'm doing, run down, take a look at it, and if it's good, we're gonna bring that car back. So I'm gonna run over and pick up my son real quick, and he's gonna drive the car home. No need for a trailer on this one, I hope. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me and hope you enjoy this venture. So let's get this thing started. Nothing like a nice rainy Mississippi day. All right, so seeing that you make better decisions on a full stomach, stopped off at a cool little coffee shop and fixing to eat a little BLT and sip a little bit of coffee, and then we're gonna roll right down the road and check out what kind of car we found. So get a full stomach and make great decisions. All right, folks, here we are taking a look at this thing. It's pouring down rain, and
Look here, original owner's manual.
is it really?
Yep. Oh, it tells you how to troubleshoot that rifle. It says, contact Spanky for all your restoration needs.
Well, folks, bought the car. My son is rolling her home, straight pipes in a flathead. How do you not go wrong with a little bit of American history? Running a little rich. Quick stop at the gas station and put some gas in and back on the road. Got about another 20-30 miles to go. Seems to be very roadworthy. All the lights work. Doesn't have windshield wipers, but the rain has slacked up just a little bit, so it's not that bad. Looks to be a fun, solid little car. Jerry Lee Lewis's house. Great balls of fire. Almost back to the house. Another mile to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've got another one coming up soon. I might carry you with me. Gonna go look at a 36 Ford pickup truck. So got one planned to do later this week, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, I'm gonna start closing out here in a minute, and we are going to call it a wrap. And thanks for stopping by and checking out our vintage car hunting for the day. Please like, tag, and subscribe. Let me know what you think.
Second year is about pointless.
There's some cool paperwork that came along with the car. It's the original bill of sale from 1950.
Are you going to keep this one?
For a minute. Thank
Cool. It looks like the other one.
you.
What do you think, buddy?
It's cool.
Tortilla chip man. And that didn't fall far from the tree, did it?
Huh?